Hi guys, welcome to channel. And what if I can show you how you can sell your high ticket offers and your products, digital products online without even jumping on sales call. And this is something that I learned some time ago, and it's really helped me more on. We can still do sales call, but imagine now your business is growing and you want to eliminate the sales call because like if you do 5 sales call a day, usually a sales call lasts 1 hour. If you do 5 a day, it's basically you are 5 hours stuck on a phone call and you 100% don't know it's gonna convert or not. So to imagine if you can save that time, you can put in more volume and show your offer to more people. So let me show you how you can do that. And I'm an immigrant from India. I live in Vancouver, and I run my high ticket online business, and I love making YouTube videos to show you how you can build your own coaching affiliate business. And let's go. So how can we do this without any crazy funnels or stuff like that, even webinars, and people do webinars, challenges. It's You can still do that, but you want to do the reason you started online business. You want to have some time with your family, you want to do things you really want to do. But if you're stuck in the business all day and not creating that something that really gonna help people, so the focus should be helping people, right? So it doesn't matter which way you go through. You're doing sales call, your strategy call, your challenges, all good. But if you can still help people, saving their time and saving your time, it's gonna be big, right? So what do I mean by no sales call? So I learned this some time ago. It's called offer asset. So what do I mean by offer asset? So I was jumping on sales call too, but if someone is jumping on sales call with you and they understand it's gonna happen, like they're gonna buy if you like your product, right? It doesn't matter if you jump or not, if you can still show them that this is my offer. So I started searching for some answer, and I find it people are doing this by offering a simple thing in Google Doc. And simple offer says everything in the Google Doc, and who is it for, who is not for, what things are included, what is not included, specifically saying at the end and the investment too. So people don't have to think about it. But there is one trick that you have to understand deeply. So one thing is, what do your target market really desire? So if imagine you are a fitness coach and you are helping someone to lose weight, but they desire their physique, they desire that 100%. And if you can 100% figure out what they want, because not everybody wants abs, not everybody wants to have a healthy diet every day, like stuff like that. But on the same time, if you can figure out what do they don't want to do. So in the fitness business example is, if you can figure out that they don't want to eat healthy stuff every day like veggies and all that, if you can figure out a way they can still eat snacks and stuff, but a healthy snack, something like that, and they still have their weight loss journey. And a lot of people do this too. And if you can mention it on your offer, like this is what you need to do, and this is what I'm going to eliminate. And usually people are focused on what you can add to offer, but it's all about nowadays taking off of the table what they don't want to do. And imagine if I do my business organic way, all organic, YouTube, Facebook and all that. If someone told me you need to paid ads and webinars and all that, it would be really complicated for me to run the whole thing, because there's a lot of mechanisms happening. People coming from webinar, people coming from that, I need to do that. But If I can run my business simple way, that is so much better. Same with the online business thing. If you can help people how they don't have to do how they don't have to do paid marketing, they don't have to do uh, cold outreach, they don't have to um, jump on sales call all day like this, and you're gonna build a so strong offer. Just and how you can do this, just talk to your ideal market. It might be in the messenger. Just try, be curious and talk to them what they don't want to do. They want to understand what they want to achieve, but if you can understand what they don't want to do, this is really crucial. And you can eliminate all that because you already understand what your market needs. So you don't need to jump on the sales call and like do a proper diagnostic like what this person is going through, and because you already know that this person is having this issue. And if you can eliminate that as well, they don't want to do this, they don't want to spend 7 days in a gym, they don't want to do this. Imagine if you can show someone, I started boxing recently. Imagine if you can tell someone you don't have to go to gym, you can just join a simple sport and do it every day, and just hundreds times super fun than going to gym, because gym is super boring. So like if you have to put your headphones on, imagine if you can eliminate gym for someone who is doing his fitness journey, and give him some sport to do like swimming or boxing or karate thing, kickboxing, and they're gonna understand like, oh, weight loss is fun, I'm learning new skill, I'm meeting new people, and it's so much fun. And it's so simple with that. Let's say with that, just write down things they want to achieve, things they don't want to do. The more simple you can make it, the better it is, because there's so much information overwhelming right now. You can go to YouTube, you can go to people are teaching all this stuff, I'm teaching stuff, but instead of adding, just eliminate what they don't want to do and write it on a Google PDF. If you're gonna go more on this, I have a free training in my Facebook group. It's already done, you just have to watch it. I did it some time ago, and I can put a link to that as well, so you can create an offer in a way. It's a 3-step. Then I go to a real example, that what is I mean by this, really, like step by step, like what is my offer and how can help other people achieve it. If you can have a look at that, that would be really amazing for your business. And this too, not hiring a closer. So when people are building their business, they reach the 10-20k mark, and they want to ramp up things, and they hire a closer, but you have to pay the closer. And imagine if a closer make a promise that you can't even fulfill. Imagine your closer tell them this thing that is not even possible in this time frame. Imagine they want to reach 20k in next 2 months. It's really hard, and they need to learn a lot. So if imagine this closer says that, there's gonna be a lot of things happening. So stuff like that. And simple Google Doc, nothing else you need, just put it on and try it. And you can, biggest thing is you're doing 5 sales call a day. Imagine you have 20 prospects in the lineup, and they want to talk to you, and you can, if you have the trust built up, they're gonna buy anyways, because they know this person is doing something. And even if they show them the offer and they have the question, you can still jump on the sales call for like 10 minutes, and they have any question, you can answer them, and you're good to go. Hope that makes sense for your online business. And this is the end of the video. If you can, please, if you want to really dial this in, watch that training. I will put a link in the description below, and that's gonna be really helpful. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.